Hi, today let's learn about the phrase fathom something out. It means to understand or figure out something difficult. You use it when something is confusing or hard to get. For example, I can't fathom this problem out. You can say fathom the problem out or fathom out the problem. Both are okay. It's a separable phrasal verb. This means you can put the object between fathom and out. Like, she fathomed the mystery out. Or after out, like she fathomed out the mystery. We often use it with words like problem, reason, or meaning. For example, they tried to fathom out the reason for the delay. It's similar to figure out, but fathom out sounds a bit deeper or more serious. Remember, don't say fathom outed. That's wrong. Just fathom out with the object. Try using it when you want to say you are trying to understand something tricky. That's all for today. Keep practicing and soon you'll fathom out many English phrases. Thanks for watching.